On this sheet, we will try to figure out the prices of these 4 products. Here I have written Maza, let me write real. If Maza is in your sheets, you can change it to real. Now what we want is, we want to extract the prices for these 4 products from this table. Now don't just look at the prices and type it. We are learning VLOOKUP function. You may think that why should we apply such a big formula when we can see the marks and apply it. But you have already seen that this is to learn only. In real life situations, you will not get small tables, you will have big databases and you have to work from there, right? So what we will do, we will apply the VLOOKUP function here. VLOOKUP function is equal to VL tab. We open the function box, and what I'll do is, instead of real, I'll keep Maza there. I'll keep Maza. For some reason, I'll just show you one thing. What is happening? One thing I want to learn here. So I'll just show you there. We'll type equal to VL tab. I took lambda, VL tab, VLOOKUP function. We open the function box. What are we trying to look up for? Lookup value is the 7up. Table array is the same table. Here we are not going to freeze the table. Let's see what happens if we are not freezing the table. Okay, column index number, we are looking for the price. Price in this table is the product first, supplier second, price third. So we'll type 3 here. Range lookup, as I said, we'll keep typing 0 till the time I tell you. This is exact match situation, so we are typing 0. We have not frozen it. It is recommended that we should freeze the table B8 to B16, but I have not frozen it. And let's see what happens. I say, okay, I get the price of 7up. I just double tap here and you'll see that Maza, it is saying not available. While Maza was here, it gave me the price 85. When Maza is here, it is not giving me the price again. Now, why did this happen? So, as we have seen that in Excel, wherever we have gone wrong, we should double click to audit our formula. Sorry. If you want to check and audit where the mistake is done, you just double click. And when we double click, you will see that the table has moved down. That the array table has come down. Just see here, your table is being shown here. When you started with 7up, your table was here. When you came to one step down, table also stepped one step down. But we were lucky that Maza was still within that table, so it could return the value. When we came to Appy, the table went one step further down. But still Appy was luckily inside that search table which we have given to Excel. And as we come to Maza, we see the table has gone one step down and Maza is left up. Maza is not within that table, so Excel returns not any error there. So what is the mistake we did? We didn't freeze the table. So we'll go here in the function box. I will select this table array and I'll freeze it, function F4. And once we have frozen this, we say okay now, and I run this formula now, and you will see that the value is correct. Why the value is correct? Because the first case, my table is from the headings till right angles. For Maza also, if I click, the table is not moving. The table is fixed now. For Appy, the table is fixed now. Not at all. Not any movement. For Maza also, we see the table is fixed, Maza is intact, and we got the price for Maza here. So this is the main reason why we freeze our table whenever performing a search in Excel. Now we'll take one more example here. Here the sales representative names and their regions are given. And we have a search here. In this search, I want to type any name of the sales representative and I want to get the regions here. So right now I have written John and I will go to this cell. I'll apply the VLOOKUP function equal to VL tab. Open the function box. Lookup value will take John, the cell where John is written. Table array will take this table. We can freeze it. Column index number is 2. Range lookup is 0, as I said. 0, and now I said okay, and it will give me the output as bit waste. Right, now for John, if I type Ramesh here, I say enter and it will say West. So whichever name I am going to type here, it will give me the region for that particular name. But now suppose I want to find here with the along with the region, I'm also giving the city. I'm also giving the city. Right, I have applied the city thing here and I give the city details in this particular column. And the city I give here is maybe Mumbai, Jaipur, or I'll take the city from here. I can take the cities. I've got the city names from here. I'll just copy from there, Control C, and I'll paste it, Control V. And now here I want to, along with the region, I want to find the city. Okay, and now if I copy this formula, Control C, and I copy this formula, Control V, it is giving me NA because the search has shifted from Ramesh to West, which I'll move back. So now the search is happening for this, but the result is West only. Result में वो मेरे को West ही दे रहा है. It is giving me West region only. I want to find the city. If I look at the formula, can you guys tell me what is the change I have to do in this formula to get the city? To get the city name for Ramesh. Lookup value F12, which is fine, Ramesh. Table array B17 to C17. Is this good? B to C. Shall I not change the table range? So I have to change the table name. I'll make C to D. Okay, now table has expanded from from B17 to D27. So everything is selected now. Column number city. Earlier it was sales rep is 1, region is 2, and city is 3. So I have to write there 3. And now if I enter, it will give me Jaipur. Ramesh is West and Jaipur, right? If I write here Mahesh, enter Southwest, and I get this city as well. So whatever name I type, whatever searches I am looking for, everything will be shown here, right? Everything will be shown here. I'll just format painted. So this is how we can use VLOOKUP to extract any name things, and we can use it in different columns to get simultaneously multiple outputs also. If we have to get many outputs there, we can just put all of them and apply VLOOKUP function. It will give us return there.